I am getting ready to pack up and move to Texas. This is the part of moving that sucks. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Actually, it's almost afternoon. I am kicking off this whole entire week-long vlog for you guys because I am getting ready to pack up and move to Texas. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you're probably like, what? And I promise I will definitely go into greater detail. I want to have a whole video on my plans and my goals and all the things that kind of led me to this decision. This vlog is just going to be kind of one of two things. I want to take you guys along because I feel like you've been there through all the other moves, Florida, Michigan, North Carolina, now Texas, so it kind of feels fitting. And then number two, I want it for my own selfish sake, so that way I can remember my last few days here, as sad as that is. So yeah, tonight is run club. I did 15 miles yesterday, so it was my last long run in North Carolina for the foreseeable future. I was doing really good until mile 10, and then we kind of had a little bit of an asthma attack, but we're good. We're alive, and we're gonna get back out there today. I'm not feeling super sore, which is good. That means I'm recovering properly. I'm gonna do a really good warm-up and then get out there. I also have work tomorrow and today, so they're just short little shifts, but I'm excited to see all of my coworkers and kind of just soak up all the last things. It's gonna be a little bit of a chaotic vlog, a little bit all over the place, but I really wanted to take you guys along and be able to remember this. I would give y'all a little bit of an update. It has been a long day, and it is currently 10:55, so that's amazing for that. I did go to run club, of course, and I got to see everybody. It was kind of weird because I thought for sure that it would have felt more like sad and depressing because it was my last time there, but it kind of just felt normal, and I don't know. I'm like, at what point is it gonna hit me that I'm actually leaving this week? This isn't just some normal week. I'm not gonna be back to run club next week, but I did get a little bit teared up in the beginning because Sandy, my dear Sandy from run club, who is like basically the run club director, I guess, gave me this cute little gift, and I was gonna show you guys what she got me. And then, yeah, it was really weird, but definitely a bittersweet moment. I didn't film as many clips as I thought I was going to. I will insert the ones that I did get into this video, obviously. I was just kind of wanting to soak up the moment and be as present as possible with all of my friends. So I'm very glad that I did that. And I still did capture some little moments here. And I'll make sure to insert the picture that we got as well. But I absolutely love all of them so much, and I am definitely gonna miss seeing them every single week. Kind of the downside of moving is you have to leave so many people that you love, not behind necessarily, but you don't get to see them all the time, and you don't realize how used to being in your routine and seeing that same person every single day, maybe once a week. It's a very weird feeling. So yeah, it's you know, having done this a few times, I feel like I have a better understanding of how it goes now, but you just know that once you move, like, it's never going to be the same as it was when you were living there. Tomorrow is my last day working at Brewster's, the ice cream shop, and that's going to be very sad as well. I absolutely love my coworkers. I love Walter, Whitney, and all of my people there, so that's going to be very, very sad. But also very, very exciting because I know that every single time I'm back, I can come and I can say hi and I can get ice cream, and who knows, maybe I can pick up a shift if somebody needs it. But yeah, so Sandy from the Run Club got me this super, super cute little candle here. I have not opened it up yet because it's literally packaged so nice, and I can already tell, oh my god, it smells so good. She must know me so well because it's very citrusy. It just feels like it'll be the perfect, fresh, cozy candle, especially in fall. I am such a candle girl. I love being on a candle and watching a good show and being in my robe. But yeah, I cannot wait to light this guy. I might keep this box, to be honest with you, because that is absolutely adorable. I absolutely love the black ribbon and the label, just so cute. And then she got me this adorable little stone art sign that says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Jeremiah 29:11. Isn't that so cute? I cannot wait to put this in my new apartment. I am gonna look at it every time and remember all my Run Club friends. Yeah, I'm so glad that I have a little memento that I can always be reminded of anytime I'm like, man, I really, really miss my North Carolina people. Enough said, I'm going to go do my to-do list. I will take you guys along for some of that, but I was like, I haven't updated them since this morning, so I do apologize for that. It's been a little bit crazy. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy too with work, but then I promise I will vlog more and update you more as we get closer to the road trip. I knew it was gonna hit me later at night, but I'm just getting kind of sad thinking about tomorrow being my last day at work, and I'm just truly so grateful. Also, I apologize. I have my retainer in. This is the part of moving that sucks. I know it's normal. I know it doesn't get any easier. It doesn't matter how many times you've done it. I just wanted you guys to know that if you are uprooting your life or moving or undergoing any major life change, just let yourself feel your feels. Don't try to push it back. In the past, I did too good of a job hiding it, and that's what has gotten me to where I'm at today. So maybe it was a good thing, but I also think it was really bad because I don't think I would have exploded as bad if I had just allowed myself to feel. It's just very bittersweet knowing that I'm going to have so many fun adventures and exciting things to come, but I'm also leaving a place that has been so healthy for me and such a good place. It's very hard. But yeah, I don't want to leave this on a bad note. I am really just so grateful for Mooresville and all the people in it. I love all of them so much, and I cannot wait to visit as often as I can. I figured I would update y'all while I get unready because it has been kind of a crazy day. I did a 5-mile run this morning, and then I did part of my full body workout. However, I did not finish before I had to go to work at Brewster's. It was my last day. I don't think it's fully hit me, honestly, that was like my last day working. I don't know why during the days this just isn't hitting me. It always hits me like when I'm supposed to be sleeping at night, so yay. It was definitely good. I'm glad I got to work with some of my favorite coworkers. I mean, I love all of them, but I got to work with some of my favorites today, so that was good. I really appreciate it, Xander, for putting me on the schedule with everybody. And then, yeah, after that, I came home and I finished my full body workout. That's the one that you just joined me for. So this is a deload week, thank God. If this was not a deload week, I don't know what I would have done. Like, my eyes twitching thinking about that. So it's been kind of nice to just have less intense runs and workouts, and I'm really trying my best to just prioritize getting myself back on track, because I definitely have some little tweaks. I wouldn't say they're like anything super major, but I am keeping an eye on my right glute because I'm pretty sure I have an imbalance with my left quad, it would be. Yeah, my left quad. And I'm not 100% convinced that's not causing the glute issue. I've just been rolling it out and massaging it and stretching it and strengthening and all the things. So I'm kind of past the point in my running journey where I'm like, I don't ever, if I can avoid it, I don't ever want to be as injured as I was back this spring. That was truly so traumatizing, and I never want to experience that again, especially not on a race day. So I am definitely taking the train smarter, not harder method this time around, and just being a little bit more patient with my body, because, you know, it's not a workhorse. It's not a car. It's a body. So yeah, that was good. But now I'm just about to shower, and then I'm gonna eat because I am starving. I did also get a Costco order today. It's mainly just fruit and some snacks for the car ride, because I was like, I need something quick that I can eat, and I think jerky is a great one, protein bars. So I just loaded up on kind of some healthier snack options, and then I just got a lot of fruit. I got peaches, I got grapes, I got strawberries. Last Costco order in Charlotte, North Carolina. That is crazy. But all that said, I'm gonna jump in the shower, and I will catch up with you guys probably before bed. Alrighty, y'all, I just finished stretching and rolling and all the things. I am kind of debating if I should use my massage gun. I think I might use that too. I just want to feel really, really good going into tomorrow's workout. Even though this is a deload week, tomorrow I am doing some shorter hill reps and some strides, I think. So it'll be kind of the most intense session of the week, which is good because I do not want to be doing that while I am traveling. But I figured I would let you guys know that I got plenty of work done, so that was exciting. I finished editing my sister's senior photos because she's graduating in May, June, somewhere around there. I cannot wait for her to see them. I am pretty proud, I must say. This is probably gonna be my final check-in for the night, unless I decide I need to pick up the camera for some reason. But I think Ethan and I, my boyfriend, are going to watch a bit of a show and chill out, and then I'm gonna go right to bed because I am pretty tired and I want to have a good day tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. I don't know why I look so red in this lighting. That's very weird. It is so cloudy out today. But I am just about to head out on my run much later than I would have liked. I got a little bit sidetracked. I don't know. I woke up feeling pretty just out of it today. Probably the weather, because your girl is very heavily affected by whether it is cloudy or sunny outside. But yeah, not good, because I have 48 hours to pack up all my things and have it all ready in the car. I need to like lock in, and I am not really sure how I'm gonna do that because the motivation is zero today. I just wanted to show this because I feel like everybody always thinks that I'm motivated 100% of the time, and that is not always true. Sometimes I have to really, really fight to get all that I need to get done. Today's gonna be one of those days. I really want to treat myself to a self-care night tonight, so I think maybe, hopefully, that will be enough motivation for me to get everything that I need to get done. But I just need to figure out what my priorities are, because right now I'm like, I have a bunch of editing projects, I have to pack, I have marathon training still, and somewhere in there I need to find time to eat and take care of myself. I need to do my warm-ups, and then we will head right out on this run, and who knows, maybe this run will help motivate me. I think sometimes that exercise truly is what kind of gets me going for the day, and if I don't work out in the morning, then oh Lord help everybody around me. This is how you can tell we killed the first workout.
Okay, everybody, it is approximately 6:51 right now, and I am currently holding you up with my left hand, so if you're wondering what I'm doing, just randomly holding my left hand out, that would be why. I am going to run to Walmart. I need to restock on some of my ITK skincare products. I wanted to restock on that before our long road trip, because we are not going to have time to stop for that. And then I need to drop off my books that I didn't get around to reading at the library. I'm so bummed, but it's okay. I think that should be a New Year's goal of mine. Prioritize reading more, because I always get the books and intend to read them, and then I don't. Also, I took a nap because I was literally dead. I don't know what it has been about all of today, but I've just been so not focused and just kind of out of it. So the nap helped. It was literally 10 minutes and it saved my life because I got some work done on my laptop and then I was just like,
I can barely keep my eyes open.
Honestly, I was looking around the apartment, and because I don't have to take furniture, I'm not really in a hurry to pack everything. It's not going to take me long at all. So if I do end up packing anything today, it might be clothes. But everything else, I think I'm just kind of gonna leave. I'm just gonna do a nice self-care night. I definitely am feeling just a little bit burnt out, and I do not want to be feeling like this on the road trip. I think taking care of myself, doing my hip exercises, stretching, taking a bath, doing, maybe a face mask and my nails is a whole routine, and I will take you guys through it, but I think it'll be really good for me to just hit restart. It's been a very busy week. I need to give myself some grace. That's been kind of the name of today. Like, it's okay to slow down every now and then, take a deep breath. Nobody's dying. You're not in a hurry. You can always do the work tomorrow. If we don't prioritize ourselves, then we can't get the work done that we wanted to.
Turns out a nap in a Celsius is all I've been needing all day, so wish I would have done that sooner. I currently have all of my clothes from my closet in that pink, sorry about that, in the pink suitcase over there. I'm gonna have to do all my drawers tomorrow, and then my shoes and all my other things, and then I have my coats in that bag, that trash bag right there, and then two of my lights for YouTube and production stuff. So, it's a start. Right, today's face mask is Versed. I have used this maybe 5 times now. It is supposed to be good for resurfacing, ideally once a week. I would say I probably do about once a week. That would be accurate. I feel like I should be doing it maybe twice though, or at least doing face masks twice, because I've definitely been struggling with some breakouts and I just would like to kind of get rid of them. I know it depends on kind of just like my hormones and stress and all that. I still think there's room for improvement, so I am going to put a nice generous layer of this on while I sit in the tub and finish writing up my letter.